Today I'm cooking shepherd pie. It's one of my favorite dishes that I enjoy eating at the restaurant. And now I have finally tried it at home. It's actually simple and very satisfying to make. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of minced lamb, 180 grams of yellow onions chopped, 140 grams of carrot cubed, 250 grams of frozen green peas, 250 grams of tomato puree, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 pieces of bay leaves, 200 ml of water, 4.5 grams of fresh rosemary, half teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, half tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half tablespoon of salt, and 40 grams of butter. For the potato crust, we need 1 kilograms of russet potatoes, cleaned and washed, 120 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 200 ml of milk, 50 grams of butter, softened, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1.5 liters of water. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Switch on the heat to medium. In a stock pot, add all the russet potatoes and 1.5 liters of water. Add 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Cover the stock pot and bring it to boil. Once boiling, let it cook for 1 hour. If potatoes are cut into smaller pieces, the cooking time should be reduced accordingly. Meanwhile, prepare the fillings. Switch on the heat to medium. In a large pan, add all the cooking oil and wait for 1 minute or until it is hot. When the oil is hot, add all the chopped onions. Stir them for 2 minutes or until the aroma is released and they are translucent. After 2 minutes, it's very fragrant now. Add all the minced lamb. With the spatula, breaking it into pieces, evenly distributing them around the pan. Add quarter tablespoon of salt, all the pepper, thyme, rosemary, bay leaves, and Worcestershire sauce. Continuously stir for about 1 minute or until the lamb, onions, and seasoning are well combined. Now the lamb and seasoning are well mixed, the color changes to gray. Add all the butter and chopped carrots. Stir to melt the butter and mix them evenly. After about 1 minute, add 100 ml of water to the pan. Submerge the minced lamb into the water. Then cover the pan. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes to cook the lamb. Make sure to stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Wow, the smell amazing. Give it a stir. The gravy has dried up and the lamb is cooked and almost soft. Add the green peas. Stir to combine. Alright, now let's add all the tomatoes puree, scraping the bowl. Stir to evenly distribute the puree in the pan. It is so fragrant. Okay, this is good. The filling is quite thick now. Add 120 ml of water and stir to mix it evenly. Then cover the pan, reduce the heat to low and continue to simmer for another 10 more minutes, stirring every now and then. After about 8 minutes, open the lid, give it a stir. It is quite dry now. With a pair of tweezers or a fork, remove the stem of the rosemary. This is optional. Give it another stir. Now we can taste it. Delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. For me, I am adding in the remaining 1/3 tablespoon of salt. Give it another stir. And it is done. Switch off the heat and leave it aside for now. Back to our potatoes. They have been cooking for 40 minutes. Use a fork to poke it. Oh, it's still hot. Cover the pot and continue to cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, taste them by poking with fork. Yes, they are cooked. Remove them from the pot and let them rest to cool for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the potatoes are slightly warm. Remove the skin and the black spot. Placing them in a large bowl, then mash the potato until they become smaller pieces. Put all the potato in a mixing bowl. Shredded cheese, butter, the remaining 1/4 tablespoon of salt, pepper, and milk. Using a paddle attachment, mix all of them until smooth and well combined. Gradually going from slow speed to medium-low speed for about 45 seconds. Okay, after 45 seconds, the potato looks very smooth now. Scrape down the side and continue beating at high speed for about 10 seconds. Now it looks very smooth and cohesive. Slowly reduce the speed and stop the machine. Give it a taste. Perfect! More seasoning can be added as preferred. If adding more seasoning, I recommend starting the machine and mixing it for another 10 more seconds to mix the potato and seasoning. For this, it is good. So I am taking off the paddle attachment. Remove the mixing bowl from the mixer. Let's assemble the shepherd pie. Preheat the oven for 160 degrees Celsius. In a large casserole pan, put all the lamb filling at the bottom. Evenly level it, flattening it out as much as possible. Then gently spread the mashed potato over the lamb fillings. I put it in a big chunk of 4 before spreading it out gently and evenly. Optionally, use a fork to make a crosshatch pattern on the surface of the mashed potato. Then put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Smells so delicious. After 30 minutes, remove the shepherd pie from the oven. See, the gravy has come up the side of the casserole and it's bubbling over the mashed potato. Alright, the bubbling has stopped. Garnish with a few sprigs of rosemary. Sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and it's ready to be served. Let's eat! Wow, so delicious! The mashed potato is chewy and smooth. It's so flavorful from the cheese and has soaked up a little of the lamb gravy. The lamb filling is tender and very rich. The taste goes so well with the potato crust. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!